Today we are going to learn the present simple tense using common verbs. This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to start speaking simple English. Here we go. The present simple is used to talk about facts, things that are always true, habits, things you do regularly, routines, daily activities. Here is an example of each use.
The sun rises in the east. I drink coffee every morning. She goes to work at 8 o'clock.
Now let's see how affirmative sentences are formed. First the subject, then the verb, and finally the rest of the sentence. The third person singular, he, she, and it, needs an S to be conjugated correctly. For example,
She works as a teacher.
if the verb ends in CH, SH, SS, X, or O, we add ES instead of S. For example,
She goes to the park every Saturday.
if the verb ends in a consonant plus Y, change the Y to IES. For example,
She studies at the library a lot.
but if the verb ends in a vowel plus Y, simply add S. For example,
She plays the guitar in a rock band.
for the negative form, follow this structure. Subject, followed by do not or does not, if it's the third person singular, followed by the verb, and followed by the rest of the sentence. You can also use the contracted form don't or doesn't. For example,
I don't want to eat cake. Tom doesn't play on our team.
finally, you will learn how to form questions in the present simple tense. Just follow this structure. Do or does if it is the third person singular, followed by the subject, followed by the verb, and followed by the rest of the sentence. For example,
Do you like the rain? Does she live with her parents?
let's practice. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses.
She plays tennis with her sister. They go to school by bus. He doesn't watch TV in the morning. I don't like mint ice cream. Do you study English every day? Does she work in a hospital?
And that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lessons. See you soon.